Hey beauties, my name is Chanel and today I'll be channeling you guys up on this gorgeous hair that I have on today. This is one of my baddies that I want to put in a collection of like a summer baddie, like a vacation hair. So if you are one that is on a vacation and you just so happen to be looking for a vacation hair, yeah, you sis, I see you. Go ahead and keep on watching because this one is definitely one to consider. Also be sure to hit the bell right next to the subscription button so you don't miss out on any videos like these. Alright guys, so you guys already know how we do it. I'm just gonna go straight into the chase and then I'll give you the dibs and dabs of what I feel about it. Is it worth the buy? You know what I mean? And all that good stuff. So this gorgeous wig is by a company called Bilace or Bilace, I believe it's called, wigs. So that's where we got it from. This is the very first time I'm actually picking up a wig from them, and it was actually recommended to one of you guys that I go ahead and review one of their hairs. So here I am reviewing one of their wigs here. So this gorgeous wig is called Deep Parting Lace Front Wig, which is a deep wave texture. One of the reasons why I say this is like part of the whole like summer collection or like vacation getaway wig, I would just say only because it's deep wave, you know what I mean? It just gives me that vacation vibe. And yeah, like I said, you guys, this summer is like made for some curly, wavy, deep waves, you know what I mean? I love that look for the summer, for the tropical feels. So if you're going on a getaway, like this is definitely one of those wigs that you just could be really careless and carefree and just put it up in a ponytail and just, you know, like really have it just look careless and gorgeous. As far as the length on this baddie, it is 20 inches, you guys. She's very much so 20 inches. Let me turn around and give you guys a whole look. As you very much so could tell, the waves, the deep waves are so defined, you know what I mean? And like the parting space is so deep as well. Literally ends right at the back right here, but my parting stops right here. I could continue it on longer if I wanted to because my first track start right about here. So I want to say that's just about 3.5 going to 4 inches parting space down the middle, and then of course like towards you get to the side, you know, less and less parting space you have. So just to keep that in mind if you want to do a side part. But I definitely feel like for a side part gal, you definitely can get like, I don't know, let me see here. So you essentially get the same amount of parting space right here as the first track I land is right here. If you want to do a deep side part, you definitely could do that. With deep and wavy curly hair, I love like a center part for me. So but for my girls out there that loves a like deep part, you definitely can do it and you have like a good amount of parting space anyways. And now how does this wig actually feels? Like, does it feel good? Can you tell me? It feels amazing. I love the quality. It haven't shed, it haven't tingled, nor have I been getting stringy feels. So lately I really been noticing that a lot of wigs, not my wigs of course because I'll let you guys know, but lately a lot of wigs are just stringy and this does not give that. So I definitely, when I took it out the package, I was just looking like, is it stringy, is it not? So as in the clip, as I show you guys how the wig came out the package, you guys definitely can see it's really not stringy at all. And I definitely do appreciate that. Bilace, however you pronounce that. I think it's Bilace, y'all. Yeah, the link, hey, if I don't pronounce it right, make sure you guys know that the link is definitely on the top of the description bar so you guys can go ahead and pick up yours. Now as far as the cap of this wig, this is the only downside of this wig for me. You guys know I always say I have a small head. I have a small head. I don't know, maybe I'm just saying that, maybe I had a big head, maybe it grew overnight, I don't know. But right now when I was putting this wig on, like it was a little bit tight, and it still is a little bit tight to the point that my lace and my wig is starting to kind of shift back. So it essentially look like I need to do a reapplication, like, you know what I mean? Just pick a size up, make sure you got your right size. I obviously didn't. I don't know. I just love it. I love it, y'all. I'm not gonna say it compliments me, no. Says the hair is just bomb, okay? Like she's just super gorgeous. I'm so here for it. So cute. Oh my gosh, like, do you not see this? Like, it's not wet. Like, you guys know I love to style my curly wavy hairs. This baddie is not wet right now and she's very much so defined. I love her. She's just so gorgeous. Like, Imagine walking down the beach with this hair. Like, oh my gosh, you know what I mean? Like, it doesn't give you that beach tropical feel. So now the starting price on this gorgeous baddie, it is at the starting price of $113. Again, it is super affordable, but there is so much things that you can go ahead and modify on your wig. Again, you guys, that is the base starting price. So if you want a longer length, the more money it would be. If you want a shorter length, the less money would be. It all depends on your very own wig, so you can do so much to it to make it your very own. I love it, but I'm here to tell you that, sis, the product is definitely a go. Is this not like beach, I'm ready type hair? Like, get me on a yacht, sis? Is this not like summer hair? If this is not summer hair, I don't know what is. As y'all can see, I'm hyped. I love it. I would recommend her to a friend, to a sis, to you, to my mama, to anybody. She is very much so cute. The link is down below and at the top of the description bar, you guys. Bilace, however you pronounce it, did amazing on this wig, you guys. Pick yours up right now. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like always, you guys, make sure you guys go ahead and like, comment, and definitely subscribe if you haven't done so already. And like always, you guys, till next time.